Hey guys, it's Nay, and I'm here to make some wigs for you guys. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, so I caught this brilliant idea one day that I should make wigs. My head is cold. I'm up at school in the middle of nowhere, and like right now it's 35 degrees. And guess who doesn't have nothing to really protect her head? Because I decided to shave all my hair off. But I'll be making some wigs for you guys. I'll be showing you guys how to make some front tools and some closures, how to properly slay your edges, as well as picking a good vendor. So I will have a few people that I will purchase hair from, and I will, use their hair to make wigs and stuff like that. Some hair will be 613 hair, which for those that don't know what that is, it's blonde hair or platinum blonde for the most part, and I'll be coloring it and showing you guys how it reacts to heat and how well the hair is supposed to take from the coloring and all the heat. And I'll show you guys how much shedding, and I will definitely inform you guys on oh, lost my train of thought. I will inform you guys on the density. So, long story short, cutting this video a little short, I hope you guys follow my journey. I can't wait to start my natural hair section of the tutorials because I love to do my natural hair, and I just want to share so many, creations that I have and I do to my hair. So, like, share, and subscribe this video as well as all my future videos. Thank you for your love and support.